Everybody is talking about digital twins, but what can they actually achieve in CNC production areas? Let's go to Irene and Michael on the shop floor. Irene is a programmer in job preparation, and Michael operates the machine.
I generate part programs for production at the PC. Once the program has been generated, I transfer it to Michael at the machine.
I then immediately check that the program runs without any errors, as they can result in collisions. I correct any errors and upload the program back to job preparation. But sometimes I need to get Irene's input.
Since I am often working from home, we use a virtual image of the machine for this. This means that part programs can be completely programmed and optimized at the PC right from the start, and a collision check performed.
Precisely. Using Run MyVirtual Machine, I program a workpiece at the PC as if I was standing at the machine itself. Or Irene sends me her part program. I then check the machining process directly in the integrated simulation. I can also read in and test CAM-generated programs in Run MyVirtual Machine. This means that I'm certain that the post-processor uses the correct NC, and the program can be executed one-to-one on my machine.
Also in production environments, a lot has to be taken into account when setting up a machine. Do the clamping devices fit? Are blanks with the correct sizes available? Are the appropriate tools on hand? What is the work offset?
Also here, using Run MyVirtual Machine, I can virtually plan the complete production workflow. I import the clamping device from the 3D file and link it with the blank to be machined. I simply load it into the simulation and start the part program. To the left, we can see Sinumerik Operate, the operator interface which I recognize from the machine. To the right, the 3D simulation of the machining operations in the machining area. Everything's precisely as if I was standing directly at my machine. This means I can quickly check the NC program together with machine motion, clamping device, tool and blank.
To do this, he does not require the machine, which continues to operate productively without any interruption.
Sometimes Michael directly intervenes in the machining process at the machine, or moves axes in the manual mode. He cannot simulate this in advance at the PC.
Correct. However, with Protect My Machine 3D Twin, I can transfer the clamping situation and settings from Run MyVirtual Machine to my machine. This protects against any collisions while machining. Using Protect My Machine, the machine stops before a collision actually occurs.
It has been demonstrated that Run MyVirtual Machine allows programs to be written offline and tested without requiring a real machine. Run MyVirtual Machine provides safety and avoids collisions at the real machine.